Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most delicious and nutritious recipes. Today, we're going to talk about the humble but versatile peas. So, let's dive right in and learn how to cook peas. Peas are a great source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile, making them a perfect ingredient for a variety of dishes. To cook peas, start by rinsing them under cold water. Then, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the peas and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on their size. Once they're tender, drain the water and serve them as a side dish or use them in your favorite recipes. Remember, peas can be used in soups, salads, curries, and even as a topping for your favorite pasta dish. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and educational cooking clips. Until next time, happy cooking!